VW Golf has arrived. Touchscreen, electronic handbrake, dirty condition, needs a good detail clean inside. So we've got scratches on the door, a few little scratches on the back bumper, minor scratches on that bumper. The wheels are a little bit scuffed, a bad repair on this door and on that one, and this front wing headlight needs sorting out. We repair that wing, repair the bumper, change the bracket inside, and just check just to see if there's any filler in here. If there's filler, we'll replace that bumper. So far so good, but there you have it. So make sure you subscribe, like the video. I'll keep working on it and you'll see the progress of how it looks when I've finished it. So what I've done is aligned the gap between the bonnet and this wing. I just got to fiddle around with this bit, but I'll do that once the replacement light comes in. So I've also pushed out this section here, but once the light's in then I can finesse all of that up.